kids.
Monster counting from 1 to 20.
How many monsters are there? There are 5 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 2 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 3 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 8 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 10 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 7 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 9 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 12 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 8 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 4 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 6 monsters. How many monsters are there?
There is 1 monster.
How many monsters are there?
There are 11 monsters.
How many monsters are there?
There are 15 monsters.
How many monsters are there?
There are 14 monsters.
How many monsters are there? There are 20 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 18 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 13 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 19 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 16 monsters. How many monsters are there? There are 17 monsters.
Great job! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.